This is a song we wrote when we first formed. There was a song about love, marriage and stuff, but it's also the first song that we ever recorded together as well.
When I look in your eyes as I see the sun, and I know that our love has just begun. And if I ever get scared, all I want you to do is hold my hand. So won't you stay with me? 'Cause you're all I need. This is love, it's clear to see. Darling, won't you stay with me?
Yeah, look, I get emotional when I see my family free, not a care in the world, watching them go quickly as we wander around this rock, which is wonder with a star. I find myself embracing everything you truly are. I'm traveling at light speed, just to watch you sleep and just to watch you breathe. Closer than gravity and time, crazier than my wildest dreams. Stay with me and never leave so we can achieve. I need you to
stay with me. 'Cause you're
yeah,
all I need.
stay with me.
This is love, it's clear to see.
So please,
darling, won't you stay with me?
look, yo. She's deeper than any ocean in love and romance. She's very reserved, but she loves to dance. Best singer in the world if she only knew a song. The power of a god, I look to her to be strong. She's my insides out and my positive reaction. The tunnel to my light, blocking out unnecessary distractions. She's the mother of my children, the reason for my reason, the smile of a million suns, no matter what the season.
Won't you stay with me? 'Cause you're all I need. This is love, it's clear to see. Darling,
Please,
won't you stay with me?
please stay with me.
Won't you stay with me?
Stay with me, please stay with me.
'Cause you're all I need.
You're all I need in this world.
This is love, it's clear to see. Darling, won't you stay with me?
Wow! Wow! That's why you gotta go! Hey! Well done, Bob!
Wow. Zoe, what did you think of that?
Wow, like I was particularly looking forward to your two's performance this week because obviously like your norm is bouncy and bubbly, so I was like intrigued to see what we were going to come up with, but honestly this worked so well. I absolutely loved it. I loved how both of you had like more of your own moments this time. You are a powerhouse. I love your voice. I love the rewrite of the song as well, like how you changed the structure of it, wherever, and the ooze laid over the rapping, that worked so well. That just added like that something extra to it. So yeah, well done guys. That was absolutely amazing.
Kelly?
Yeah, this was my favourite by far, definitely my favourite of yours. I absolutely loved it. I love that we got to sort of like hear your voice sort of stripped back, you know, because you do have a really powerful voice, but it was really nice to sort of hear it without anything in the background, to just get a feel for your voice, and it was beautiful. And then when your rap came in, you just complemented each other so well. The ad-libs were just amazing. Honestly, this was a really powerful performance. Definitely my favourite. I'd like to see more of this. I love how you rewrote the words. You gave that song another meaning and you made it personal to you, which is fantastic. Honestly, you should both be like buzzing because that was great. And you didn't need the energy that you bring usually is fantastic and we're all sort of in it, but you did not need that. You still retained that energy even though you was just there and laid back and chilled. It was brilliant. Well done.
Do you know what? I'm really impressed by you both tonight, and I'll tell you why. Because look, we've spiraled you in this journey so far because you've come into this, you know exactly who you are, you still know who you are, you know what you both can do and what you're capable of and the energy you want to give off and that. But my God, like tonight, not just yourselves, but there's been one or two of you in particular that I watched tonight, and you've established a part of what you can do, which I'm sure you know you could do this before, strip it back and that sort of stuff. But tonight, bringing it to the table shows us that you've got something even more. In my eyes, I watched that tonight, and I'll be honest with you, I'll be more than happy not to hear a dance song from you both again after hearing that. And I'll tell you why. Is because that offered so much more vulnerability and connection to not just me, but publicly. It was a little bit more in terms of like what you would hear in today's charts, that sort of stuff. There seems to be like the Ed Sheeran songs and all of this sort of stuff. That vibe seems is really sellable at the moment, all these indie artists, and that was more indie than anything else you've done. So to me, this sold you really, really well. Like if you was looking to say, oh, give us more chance of getting spotted by people, it would be this, and that's being honest, because what I saw tonight was so much more connectable. I'm not saying the dancey stuff don't work, because it 100% does, 1,000,000,000%, and I love it, and I wouldn't want you to stop it. But tonight we saw another part to you, and you both absolutely smashed that tonight. And I gotta be honest, like I've loved, there's been quite a few performances that have made me like mind blown tonight, but for me this was my favourite performance I've seen tonight. So well done to you both. Round of applause for them, guys.